Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Creovanta. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design this amazing YouTube thumbnail step by step using Canva's free version. Whether you're a beginner or want to level up your thumbnail design skill, this video is going to be super helpful for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, choose this background image, stretch it in full canvas. Go to Edit and adjust these settings like me. Now select this table image and place it at bottom of our thumbnail. Go to Edit and set brightness -100, contrast 100, highlights 55, shadow 53, whites 36, vibrance 47, saturation 27, sharpness 59, clarity 35, vignette 100. Select this analytics graph and place both sides like me. Select this YouTube Shorts logo and place it left side. We not need this red part, so go to Magic Layer and remove red part. Now add another YouTube Shorts logo on right side, so create logo like me. Select this women image and place it at center of thumbnail. Add shadow at the bottom of logo. Add text. Now we add depth on thumbnail, so select rectangle and choose color dark gradient and place it at bottom of thumbnail. Select women image and go to Edit and click on Auto Adjust. And this is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. For more this type of amazing tutorials, subscribe my channel and press bell icon and comment your thought about this thumbnail. Thank you for watching.